Our feature story tonight focuses on a local company that is helping people feel as comfortable as possible, bringing fashion and function to medical-focused clothing. It's called Care+Wear, and joining us tonight is Care+Wear, the company's Director of Communications. Thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.
I know this is very personal to you, and I want to talk a lot about
Absolutely.
that. But first, Jessica Formoso shows us how Care+Wear came to be.
A new startup medical wear company is designing products that are both comfortable and fashionable for patients undergoing cancer treatment.
When you're undergoing treatment and you're not feeling like yourself always, and we want to really help people, even if it's in a small way, to kind of make them seem like they're themselves again.
Care+Wear launched in 2014 here in New York City after its founders' family members began undergoing chemotherapy and were told to wear a sock over their PICC line to protect it.
Saw these loved ones wearing socks and thought there's got to be something better.
Co-founder and CEO Chaitanya Razdan looked to nurses and doctors to design a PICC line cover.
What is really unique about these is the special mesh window. So this window allows for breathability and visibility to the site.
Today, Care+Wear has 8 different products: gloves, a hoodie, t-shirts for men, women, and children that make it easy to access central lines and ports, a bra for women who have undergone mastectomies and reconstructive breast surgeries, a onesie for premature babies, and patient gowns that don't expose your back.
So the arms, you have access to an IV, so you can open the snaps and get access to the arm.
Working with patients, clinicians, and designers, this hoodie was designed in collaboration with Dominican fashion designer Oscar de la Renta.
We got to do the Care+Wear by Oscar de la Renta hoodie that kind of opens up and gets access to the chest on either side while providing kind of dignity for you.
The most expensive item cost $85.
And Care+Wear gives back. At least 10% of his gross profit of each product goes back to a nonprofit foundation like the American Cancer Society and March of Dimes. To buy any of their products or for more information, head over to their website at www.careandwear.com. In the Financial District, I'm Jessica Formoso, Fox 5 News.
And joining me now is Care+Wear, the Director of Communications and Partnerships for Care+Wear. Thanks so much for being here.
Thanks again for having me.
So my mom's a breast cancer survivor. I sent this to her, and the first thing is, oh my God, I wish I knew about this when I had my surgery. Is that something you hear a lot?
We do. We hear it quite often, and we're so happy to be able to provide this for anyone.
And you're with the company, but you're also a survivor. How did you make that connection? What's your story?
So about 5.5 years ago, I was diagnosed with a very aggressive form of breast cancer, and we have a very strong family history. I also am positive for the genetic mutation BRCA1 or BRCA, and for those who aren't aware, it raises your risk and probability for breast and ovarian cancer. So after my treatment and surgeries, I thought, I need to do more. I want to do more, and I really felt compelled to do more purpose-driven work, and that led me to Care+Wear, a for-purpose company, and I'm such a fan of our mission to help people everywhere, whether you're going through cancer treatment or a chronic illness. It's something that really resonated with me.
And with cancer, but really any illness, in addition to the actual physical fight of the disease, the mental part of it makes a huge difference in how someone deals with that. And it may seem odd to someone who hasn't experienced, but having clothing that's actually designed and looks well for that can have a huge impact on how someone mentally approaches a disease.
Absolutely. So a lot of times when someone is walking into a hospital or medical facility, a lot of the focus is on the function of what someone is wearing and not necessarily on how that's making a patient feel. So think about yourself. When you feel good about wearing a specific outfit, your behavior changes, your attitude shifts. It has a positive impact on what's happening around you. And if we can provide even a slice of that comfort for someone, that's something that we feel really great about.
And it's not just, medical clothing. Oscar de la Renta, these are like great, these are high fashion companies you're working with.
Yes, absolutely. I have to say our team is incredibly thrilled to work with the Oscar de la Renta team. As you may know, Oscar himself passed away from cancer, I believe, in 2014. So this is something very near and dear to their hearts as well. They were involved in every step of the development of our port access hoodie, and it's just really been an incredible collaboration.
And you also, we have a picture, you ran a marathon as well, right, to raise awareness for the New York City Marathon?
I did. It was every bit exciting and daunting and crazy and wonderful as one, might think it was. But last August was actually my 5-year anniversary of diagnosis, and in the cancer community, 5 years is a very significant milestone. Thank you. And I thought, you know what better way to honor my body than to do this, and it was tough, but I'm really glad I did it.
It's a great company. It's a great story. If people want to see the products, where do they go? They go to our website at www.careandwear.com. So that's CareAndWear.com. Care and Wear. Care and Wear. Spell it out. Yes. Care+Wear, thank you so much for being here. Careandwear.com. We appreciate it. You're the best. Thank you so much. Well, still to come, Chris.